It's a lazy, hot, and sleepy afternoon, but I'd still like to greet everybody a blessed Sunday. My name is Itchy Rebel, and I am a professional event host. I cater to social gatherings from gender reveals, baby shower, baptism, birthdays such as milestone birthdays, first birthday, seventh birthday, quinceañera, sweet 16, debut 18th and 21st, golden birthday, mga 50 years old, and then dual citizenship birthday. Dual citizenship kasi Filipino citizen na sila, senior citizen pa. So dual, dalawa. Dual citizenship birthday. Weddings, anniversaries, and reunions. The word mahal or expensive is very relative. What I mean to say is for some people, the amount itself pwedeng mahal depending upon sa kakayanan po nila. The basic rate conventionally is 5,000 pesos. Not so expensive host, that is. They would charge transportation fee if it's outside their vicinity. You have to understand what you're paying for, yung una, is their professional fee. It's for the talent that they'll be showcasing. That's why it's called a talent fee. Yung 5,000 na yun. And then yung transportation nga. So it would vary. So some people might find this expensive. Some people find this to be a deal. Can it be lower than 5,000? Meron ba nag-offer ng service na below 5,000? Pwede rin. Yes. Try to think of it this way. Okay? Bakit mas mura ang talent fee nila? Top 3 or 4 things in my mind. 1, makamalapit. The event itself. And what they're supposed to do is just host. Pagdating ni host po ron, the host will receive the program and just follow the program. That's it. Si host, hindi pa ganon ka-experience. It's possible. That's what I'm trying to say. Kasi merong iba talaga naniningil na mababa, pero magaling naman. They're good. They're great. Here's the thing though. A good or great host, okay yan sa event. You deserve an amazing and awesome host. Don't settle for good or great. Look for someone who could be awesome and amazing so that you'll have an epic event. One thing's for sure, the libre. Get in touch with a host of your preference. Libre lang makipag-usap. Ask them questions. Ang trabaho ng host is to ensure na non-existing ang gap between expectation and reality. That's all I have to say for today. Again, my name is Itchy Rebel. I am a professional event host, and I'd like to greet you a blessed Sunday and good luck to your event. Bye.